Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY Dreamcatcher. Let's get right to it. Materials needed for today's Dreamcatcher is a 15 centimeter rim of a lid and then a 11 centimeter small rim of a lid, and then you'll need a Sharpie, some scissors, about 130 beads in one color, and then another 130 beads in another color, and then 25 big beads, and then another set of 25 big beads. For my colors, I've chosen blue and pink for my small beads, and then orange and purple for my bigger beads. And then you'll need a needle, some feathers, some string, and a ruler, and then you'll also need some yarn, and your string should be 30 centimeters, and then the other one should be a little bit longer, 34 centimeters. Let's get started. So first we're going to use this string and tie it around this rim, and it's going to turn out to look like this. So let's get started. So what you have to do is tie 2 knots on this to start off. After you tie it, you will use this string right here and put it around. After you have wrapped it around once, do that over and over again until your whole entire rim is completed. Just like so. After you have finished wrapping your string around both of your rims, you can start to do this needling part. So after you have put your string through your needle, make sure you tie your feather to the end of the string, and then you can start with your beads. So I'm going to be starting with one of my purple big beads. Put it through so it'll look like this. And now I'm going to be putting on one of my tinier beads. And then I'm going to alternate this same pattern. And then I'm going to put one of my bluer ones on. I'm going to do that same thing again with my pink. I'm going to do it with my blue once more. I'm going to do that one more time. And then I'm going to end it with another big bead, which is my orange one. Just like that. So my pattern I have is a feather, and then I have a big bead, which is my purple, and then I have a pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, and then I have another big bead, which is my orange color. Make sure you do the same exact process with the beads again until you get to the top. So I'm going to put one of my big beads on. Now I'm going to put my pink, blue pattern on. After you have done that, repeat the same process 7 more times on your larger rim, and then do it 8 more times using your 30 centimeter string for this smaller rim. Now that you have 8 for your large one and 8 for your tinier one, you can push them aside. Now we can work on your netting part. So I'm using this friendship bracelet string, and I'm using white for this because I think it'll look better for this color. So what you have to do first is knot it. So knot it about 2 times. After you are done knotting it, you can turn it over and mark every 2 inches because that's where you're going to be knotting it. And I marked mine. I think it's just easier that way, and I think you guys should do the same. That way you don't have to measure every 2 inches. And then after that, you can cut your yarn or string away from the roll really, really far so you have a lot of extra string. So now you're gonna get it, and then you're going to wrap underneath, and then go to your marking, and then you're gonna go inside of here, and you're gonna get this piece, and you're gonna pull it all the way through. Now you should have this underneath, this piece right here underneath. And repeat the same process 7 more times all the way around. This should be your end result because it is in all of the markings I had done. I'm going to be doing this flowery kind of star pattern. You guys can do whatever pattern you guys want for your Dreamcatcher, but that's what I'm going to be doing. Now I'm going to tie this to a string and make a little knot. Just like that. 2 times I'm going to do this. Just like that, and now I'm going to cut the axles off, just like this. And there you have your starry, flowery kind of pattern. And as I said before, you guys can do whatever kind of pattern you guys want. Now you repeat this exact same process again for your smaller one. So after you have made your design on both of your rims, then you will get your string and connect it through the middle for both of them so it hangs through the middle just like this. And then you will get your design and measure it to see how long you want it and the difference of it. I've chose it so there's a little bit hanging left, and just like that. And then you're gonna tie this yarn with this piece right here. After you are done knotting it 2 times, you can get your scissors and cut off the excess and put that aside. Now you have both of your pieces connected like so. And now I'm going to get one of my designs I have, and then I'm gonna slip it through underneath both of the lines I have here, just like so. And then I'm going to wrap it and knot it just like this. After you have knotted it 2 times on this one, repeat this exact same process on both of the rims, and make sure you are using your 34 centimeter ones for this larger one and 30 centimeters for your smaller one. Now that you've added all of your designs, you will have to add a connecting string to the top. So let's add that. Now that you have your string, put it underneath like so, and then pull it through, and make sure you knot it just like this, and knot it 2 times. This is the final product, and you can put it on your ceiling. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed making that DIY Dreamcatcher, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!